The most attractive quality in a woman is when you know she hasn't been with everybody and she won't be with just anybody. My sisters, mwegabe mpola. Omukazi yegabe nnyo, aswaza nnyo okusinga omusajja yegabe nnyo. Take that from me. Ladies, listen to this. Worrying or crying for love, or even for a man, it should be at the age of 18. But if you're 24 and above, it should be about your life. Sweetheart, get up, dress up, move out, go and hustle like a king, and never give up. My dear brothers, if you well know that your intention is not to marry that girl you're with right now, please and please don't drill her too much hard and deep. Have some mercy. That is someone's future wife. This nonsense of taking energy drinks and Viagra, then you hit her more than 4 rounds, should stop. You're diluting her sweetness.